Welcome, it's January 2023 and high time I introduce you to the Yamaha XJ600 sat just behind me, and also a few plans for the next 12 months. So here she is, my 1994 Yamaha XJ600 Diversion. I've done a fair few things, brand new back tyre. I've actually vinyl covered the seat because the seat was kind of grey and dirty and it just made it look old. A lot of the frame welds were just old and tired. I mean, there's little bits here and there, but application of hammerite in various places did the job quite nicely. It really did make quite a difference to get rid of all those rusty bits. It's not going to win any concourse competitions, I know. Just put a new clutch in because I was struggling to engage first gear. It was intermittent, but every so often it just wouldn't go up and it wouldn't go down. I was stuck. I think it was something to do with the clutch plates. The cage was rough, so I had to file down the cage because one of the plates was catching. So I think that's probably what the issue was. Apart from that, the engine's running okay. The engine's all nice. It had quite a lot of work to it before I bought it. New head gasket. New pretty much everything. All the old stuff is down there. I've got bits of block and cylinder head and all sorts of things. Put it through the MOT, failed on headstock bearings and also leaky fork seals. So I had the fork serviced because I haven't got the tools or the stands to do it myself in the garage. Also the headstock bearing was all sorted. The next job is for this little fella, carb tune, because at the moment she kind of runs on 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. When you start her up, she kind of comes to life slowly. Great Black Widow exhausts, they sound really nice. She's just a good little bike. I enjoy riding her. A lot of my friends kind of said, why are you buying an old 28-year-old bike? But for me, and you know, my riding skill, which is not the greatest, she kind of works. She kind of complements my shoddiness, really. It's never going to be brand new, shiny, and like new. The plan is not a rolling restoration, not really a rolling project, but just an ongoing, rideable bike that I can make a little bit nicer and enjoy riding. So, as you can hear, definitely needs a carb clean, definitely needs a carb sync. Could probably do with some new fuel as well. So I'll do all those three and hopefully get that on a video for you in the near future. Thanks for watching.